Okay, so we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing some trim on in this hall bath, or this is the master bath. And I believe this one is the back side of the wall, the first portion of this video. It shows us doing a repair. We had water damage because of a failed tub spout. Gasket was torn, copper was chewed through by the set screw. So anyways, they have a company in there doing an estimate for that right now. We opened the wall up, did the repairs, showed you all that, the wing L, the brass nipple and all that. What we got on this side, homeowner purchased this straight out of Home Depot. So this is the Delta trim. I don't remember the model number, but it is sitting right here. 1314 series, I think it's the 72264. Not sure what the name is, but anyways, there's your warranty information right there. So brand new shower head, shower arm, shower flange, trim plate, escutcheon, levered handle, tub spout. This is the one that is screwed into place with an iron pipe nipple. So this one's solid. That's solid. It's not going anywhere. Additionally, we blocked it right behind here. I'll take a quick video of that real quick. Just put a block of wood between the copper and the fiberglass, because you can see there's a lot of flex. Probably not, but there's a lot of flex in these walls, so we didn't want a lot of flexing right there. And then silicone in all the way down, probably 270 degrees, if not more, around the spout, and then also around the flange. So this is all in place. Everything works good. Let it dry for about 24 hours. Water will roll off that silicone, but go ahead and let it dry anyways. I did recommend to the homeowner they go with at least an 8-inch to a 10-inch arm. That's a standard 6-inch brush nickel arm. And what happens is when you turn the water off, that water drops onto the tub spout and it rolls down to the back, and it looks like the tub spout's leaking, but it's not. So I mean, you can leave it. It's just going to roll water on everything, until all of those little nozzles in that rain shower head clears out. So feel free to do what you want to do with that one. And then just to document that block that we put in here. So we showed you to this previously. Oh, you all right? Just a little block. That's it. Just block in there to keep that shower wall from moving back and forth. So everything else we've got a video of. Thanks, guys. And so the other bathroom is right here. Same thing, identical. And this one butts up to a fireplace in the living room, so there's not much you can do with this one. Same shower head, same trim kit. Everything is identical all the way down. And I might mention in the other bathroom we did replace the drain as well. And all of this was furnished by the homeowner, so we just installed it. This here was copper. So we pulled this one off, and it had a little bit of damage to copper, but not enough to where we felt like it needed to be replaced. Plus, there's really no way to get in the wall in that one. So we did go ahead and cut the copper back a little bit, put a coupling on, and male adapter, and then screwed this on. It's on there really tight. You get in between when you're tightening down on copper, you're twisting. Once it tightens up, you're done. It's on there. I mean, it's solid, but there still is movement in this wall, so don't push a lot on here. It is silicone closed, top plate here, 270 degrees, spout. So that's all sealed, but anytime you push on this wall, it wants to break the seal. So just be gentle in this area. So both of these are set. Same thing with this one. 6-inch arm is installed. Recommend the 8 to a 10-inch arm just to get that shower head out here. And then, if you do extend it out, keep in mind, just be real gentle with this. It moves pretty freely, but be gentle. The longer the arm, the more chance it is to inadvertently snap it off or do something wrong, because it's just screwed into a wing L like I showed you on the tub in the very first portion of this video. So all brushed nickel, all provided by the homeowner. Everything looks good in here. Everything's been tested. Outside of that, this installation is done.